Last week, Nifty declined by around 500 points and Bank Nifty broke 54,000. That's not all. FIIs cut exposure and global cues look weak. The big question now, is this just the beginning? Hello everyone, I am Chandan Tapadia and welcome to Markets by Motilal Oswal. Let's decode the weekly market outlook in this video. So to start with Nifty, it failed to hold its recovery at the beginning of the last week and connected by more than 500 points from 25,000 to 24,450 marks. We have seen the negative global cues and because of that market failed to cheer the positive reform of the GST and index drifted lower. Now talking about the price setup, the index gave a range breakdown and has been forming lower top lower bottom on the last 5 trading session. While on the weekly chart it formed a bearish candle and wiped off all the gains of the previous week, which indicate slight bearish sentiment and levels are gradually shifting lower in the market. It formed a small bodied bullish candle on the daily chart near the key support of 24,442, but the structure is weak. Until Nifty remains below 24,700, it might see negative to range bound bias for the downside decline towards key support at 24,442 and 24,350, while hurdles are shifting lower at 24,700 and 24,850 marks. Talking about India wicks that remained flat around 11 marks, FI's long short ratio declined to 8%. Rollover data are indicating the build-up of short positions. Now talking about Bank Nifty, which remained under pressure and corrected by more than 2,000 points in last couple of days and 1,200 points in this week. It declined to 54,000 and also formed a bearish candle on the weekly chart. It gave a range breakout and lower top lower bottom formation is clearly visible on the daily chart. So now the structure is weak and we believe that going forward, as long as Bank Nifty remains below 54,500, it can see further weakness towards 53,500 and 53,000, while hurdles are shifting lower at 54,500 and 55,000 marks. So now talking about sectors, most of the sectors ended negative in the week, which clearly indicates the negative market sentiment. Very few sectors and stocks witnessed some positive setup, including the counter from Nifty auto, consumption and metal. So I believe we need to be very selective and focused in this market scenario. So that's it from my side on Weekly Market Watch.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.